Good morning, people. So, if you're watching this, it's part two to the challenge for week one. And yeah, so currently the situation is not good. I'm not gonna yeah, I can't sugarcoat this one, really. So yeah, we've suffered like some drawdown, to be fair, but yeah. So right now it's currently Thursday, 3:32, and the position as stands is currently we're at minus £1 4 pence. So yeah, just gotta wait. Literally that area of resistance that we was talking about um on the 4 hour, why we took the entry, it's literally taking place now. The 4 hour closes in 1 hour 26 minutes, so we'll see. But yeah, I mean, yeah, just gotta wait out. We thought we was gonna get stopped out because price tapped like 103.42, but no, we didn't get stopped out, not yet. So yeah, just gotta wait. I think that we still have potential for this trade, but just gotta wait and see, And plus, we're only wrong until our stop loss gets hit. So that's it. And yeah, so for now, anyways, I'm gonna make my way to the gym now. And yeah, catch you guys for the next 4 hour close. All right, guys, so we're in the gym, and yeah, the 4 hours just closed. I'm just gonna wait for it to hit the stop loss because it's currently rejected the resistance that we was using for the break and retest, and I expect it to hit the stop loss. So yeah, we'll wait and see, and be back with an update in about a couple of hours.
Take the loot we staining, or saving real feel. Something unreal, lifestyle real deal. Gotta stay still, won't get the shield.
Had to get my money up and leave them all behind. She said you don't love me, boy, you only love your grind. If you keep on digging, don't be scared of what you find. Life wasn't always this good cause it took some time. If I keep on grinding this way, I'll see trillions. Got some little niggas with me, they my minions. You can call me Holy Phil cause I'm the real deal. Listen to the music, then you'll find out how I feel. I was sitting in the bando bagging up the cane. Looking at my life, I can't believe the flipping change. The prophet told me life ain't never gonna be the same, but there ain't nothing.
So we're back from the gym, and yeah, guys, I think this trade is is done for. So we're currently floating basically close to the stop loss. I'm not gonna close. I think the big lesson from here is just making sure you stick to your plan. So like I'm not gonna try and like modify the stop loss. I'm not gonna try to um like do anything. Literally, I'm gonna let the trade play out how it's going to play out, and then we'll see what happens. In regards to where we go after this, I've taken a look at the markets and the markets in the watch list, and there's not really there's no opportunities to be fair. So there was one opportunity, but we're still waiting. Like we're close to getting an opportunity with it, which was the GBP CAD. We broke this resistance, and when you look at the weekly, we're bullish. The daily, we're bullish. So the 4 hour, literally just waiting for a retest here, and then yeah, we can enter. So I'll put an alert just in case. And then yeah, we'll wait and see. But other than that, no other markets have presented potential opportunities. So yeah, nothing much to report. I think the next market update or trade update will be yeah, once will be when when the next 4 hour closes, as well as when the stop loss hits. So other than that, see you soon. I'm gonna go to get some breakfast and yeah, catch you guys later. So just to show where we're currently at with the trade. So basically, first of all, it's 6:42, and currently we're at -£5 and floating. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some good news, but yeah, no, most likely not. And yeah, we just gotta wait and see, to be fair, and the rest will take care of itself. So other than that, I will keep you guys updated, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Yes, people. So we got the market update, trade update. So as you can see right here, we've been stopped out. We've been stopped out, guys. Anyways, I think yeah, just gotta move on. But I'm gonna be less aggressive, or like I'm not gonna try to force any opportunities for the rest of the week. We'll see how we come back stronger. So yeah, this market is literally we're done with it. No more. We'll see how actually no, we'll see how it plays out. But yeah. So I was looking at what we have, and then obviously we had the GBP CAD. So the weekly's bullish, the daily's bullish, the 4 hour now. So pretty much we broke, retested, and then yeah, I think I missed the entry. I'm not gonna lie. Like the entry was at 10 around like 10 o'clock. As you can see now, it's pushing up. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this one run. I'm not gonna force any trades because from where our area of interest is, it's kind of like too far. So how many pips is the distance? So it's like yeah, it's like 25 points. So that's like most of the stop loss sacrificed. So not gonna try, and yeah, I'm just gonna leave that to run. But well done to GBP CAD. So I will tell you what I have done. So I did dig in, and this was the opportunity that we caught. And if you watch part one of the video, then you'd see that we was consolidating here. We came down, retested this break of structure, and then we even retested it again, right? So, anyways, I didn't get this entry, but then we broke here. So I was waiting for the entry around these candles. So just to confirm with you, like we're bullish on the weekly, and the daily we're bullish too. So now on the 4 hour, as mentioned, we got the break. We're just waiting for the retest now. So yeah, look at this. We got a double bottom here. So the retest that we were looking for specifically, better for me to draw it out for clarity, is was around this area, yeah. So as you can see, we retested, rejected heavily on here. Then look, boom. We got the retest price, tried to break down, but look, push back up. and cleaning this whole area. So yeah, literally took the entry and then yeah, here we are. So that makes it a trade update. So I'm gonna try to make it as clear as possible because I know I didn't like share like where the account was after the loss. So let's see if we can do so. So basically, right now it is 11:43, and the account, if you notice, if you see, wait, hold on. So this is what's happened. If you can see clearly, struggling to focus. All right. So, anyways, we'll switch to the phone, and then yeah, we'll go further in detail. In regards to other markets, not really interested. It's nearly the end of the week, so yeah, just we're gonna see how this one plays out. I want to say that depending on sorry, so depending on the daily closure for today, I will consider to potentially close the position tomorrow in the evening following the conditions of the 4 hour, the 30 minute, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minute. So the 30 minute and the 1 hour I'll be following around New York session, and then but yeah, we'll see because I don't really want to hold the trades overnight over the weekend as I mentioned before. So yeah. So let me just switch the cameras. As I was mentioning, so basically this is pretty much the account right now. So as you can see, we took the loss on the CAD JPY, currently putting our balance at 90.83. So as I've mentioned, I've taken the position on GBP CHF, only risking 5% of the account. Well, this one's less. Well, I mean, actually, no. This one is literally nearly 5% on the dot. So yeah, currently we're at 78 pen. Well, we're floating around break even. Let's just say that. And yeah, let's see how the trade plays out. Not like I said, not really looking at any other market. I mean, for the challenge. So just gotta wait and see how this plays out. I should mention that I have added I added more pairs into the watch list. So we'll see how it plays out. Like it'll be my first time trading them. For example, today is my first time to trade the GBP CHF. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Catch you on the next 4 hour close or with a trade update soon. Okay, so just come back from the shop, literally on my way home. It's been an interesting morning. Obviously, we had the situation with the CAD JPY. I think it happened for the best of us. There is a bit of my strategy that I didn't reveal that I should have used as an indication for like, okay, we might not push further anymore. I am going to begin to like reveal that strategy soon, but yeah, when obviously the time arises. So currently, let's see, right now it's 1:44, and this is where we're at on the trade. This is where we're at, and then we're currently floating 240. So yeah, just gotta wait and see. All right, we are back. So right now is 6:26. 6:26, yes. Cool. So trade update. Basically, we're at entry again. Well, not again, but we're at entry. And yeah, so basically This yeah, at this point, I mean, given that we close back in the range like this, I think we're gonna potentially retest this area here. I could be wrong. As you know, my famous motto, we'll have to wait and see. And yeah, there's nothing more we can do. I mean, yeah, we can close now, but what if we're wrong, right? So yeah, there's areas that we could potentially retest. I mean, uh, look, I think this year, I think that if we close bearish here, if we close breaking down here, then I'll expect us to continue pushing down. And yeah, I'll consider closing the position. Yeah, literally, because actually no, I'll hold it. I'll hold it, but wherever we're at, on the 4 hour tomorrow, I'll I'll close it. So like by six o'clock, this position will be closed because I did have some, is the right word, skepticism. Skep. Let's check. Oh my God. I'm looking for Google right now. Google. Not in philosophy. Okay, so I definitely use that as the truth of something. Okay, so I'm not gonna use that word. I'm gonna say that I did go into this market with understanding that yeah, we could potentially struggle to break this area here because you can see like we have lots of rejection here. Pardon me. But I wanted to give this trade the benefit of the doubt, and I'm not gonna lie, to some it looks like I fucked up with this one too. Because now, yeah, it's a bit I don't know, it's kind of not a good situation to be in right now because it's like the second the second entry, the second trade, and bro, like we're here like this. Anyways, um, what can I say? Yeah, so like I said, I'm still gonna wait for the daily to close out. I don't expect the daily to push aggressively up to, what's this? What high is this? Okay, that's a lot of numbers. I'm gonna say 1.146. Simple. So I'm not expecting it to push aggressively like that, but looking at the daily, if we can't close like even just at like this level here, then yeah, I mean we'll definitely consider. We'll definitely close the position like maybe even earlier than Friday, 6 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, I'm just trying to like display as well, not only just display, but even for myself, I would just like to make sure that we stick to our plan, we stick to our stop loss, we stick to as take profit doesn't really matter as long as the take profit is like realistic, not like one of those, yeah, not like I'm sorry I was laughing because like Lorenzo and I we joke, yeah, and we say, oh, to the moon, bro. Yeah, so like not none of those, but just yeah, like realistic expectations for a price target. So anyways, yeah, that's that. But if you want to see where the trade is currently at right now, then visually we're at is that 71 pence? 71 pence right now. So yeah, the market's about to close in like a couple of hours. Uh yeah, that's pretty much it really. In terms of I want to kind of give like a review for the week because like I'm definitely not gonna look at the markets tomorrow. I mean I am, but like I'm not gonna not with the same like I guess you could say thought process, like as in like opportunities. Like I'll leave that for Sunday because I feel like this week's kind of been like a bit of a drag because like from Monday to from Monday to Wednesday, literally we was on this cat trade. We had a great entry, but then yeah, our ex we didn't I guess we didn't read the signs well. I think the situation that happened was unexpected, but like I did see something that I kind of ignored and I shouldn't have ignored it. But I'm making sure that from next week that doesn't happen. Even actually like from this trade it doesn't happen. So yeah, now it's just like yeah, I think the warm up session is over. I didn't want to yeah, the warm up session is over. I'm drained because like even with this one, we had the setup. Even I was looking at if you see the pre-market analysis I did, I even said like I'm expecting price to come and retest this area and continue to push up. But yeah, it doesn't look like that was the case. I mean, we got the push up, but now we've closed back in the range to potentially come down, and obviously our stop loss is at risk. But yeah, it's fine. It's done now. So now, I mean, if you want to know if there's any updates to like the challenge or anything, so basically I've added these pairs, and yes, I did search GBP first on the search bar, and then after search NZD on the search bar, then AUD, and then Euro to add these pairs. So I'm gonna be going through like a very thorough pre-market analysis so that we can see if there's gonna be any great opportunities. I think that for this challenge, the most important thing is that the new markets that I'm trading, I really learn them as much as possible because I say learn them as much as possible, but I just make sure that the things that I've learned and that I see, I need to make sure that I notice those on these markets and I use the knowledge and experience that I have like efficiently, right, with these new markets so that I can lose less and then potentially make more. So yeah. Aside from that, I think yeah, we have to wait and see how we'll do tomorrow. I don't really have nothing more to add for the day or for the for the trade. Not really, nothing really. And okay, maybe I should put a disclaimer out there. When this market closes today on Thursday, right? When the New York session closes, I am not going to be surprised if we get stopped out in as soon as the market opens again. Now let me explain why. Because the times I've seen GBP CHF open in the Asian session, what happens? For some reason, the market opens much lower than it closed and pushes up aggressively. I don't know where this, I don't know how, I don't know why, but it does. And yeah, so literally just have to bite the bullet on this one, you know. Something in my head was saying bite the grape, but but yeah, anyways, so yeah, I'm excited for next week. We'll see what happens. Um, let's see. Again, we're currently at £1. So like yeah, £91 right now. So yeah, I'm gonna give my honest review about this about the challenge so far. It's not going it's not going well. It's not going well, G. But yeah, anyways, just gotta keep our head focused, stick with the plan, lose less, win more, and the rest will take care of itself. I was I was thinking maybe I need to start doing more things though for the video, like instead of just showing the charts um and like just yeah putting the putting like a four doing like a 4 hour time frame pop up. I'm thinking, yeah, to kind of maybe like do like some discussions or something. Maybe even just I mean I kind of do show what I get up to like day to day, but I think there's probably like more things that I could like do. So I'm definitely gonna like after this video, well I say video, but I mean after this after I finish this scene here, or yeah, this scene here, I'm definitely gonna get to the drawing board and get some ideas, and then yeah, give it a start tomorrow, and yeah, that's it. So in terms of what I'm gonna be getting up to now for the rest of the evening, I am going to I'm gonna do my post market analysis now. Yeah, and then just chill. Well, I say chill, but go to sleep, bro. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm tired. I feel drained. Yeah, these trades they drain me. You know, I'm not gonna front with you guys. These trades they drain me. Like CAD JPY drained me, and it was only until like probably this morning. Yeah, this morning it drained me. It probably started yesterday, to be fair. I'll say yesterday. Yeah, yesterday drained me, and then today with GBP CHF, like the move kind of drained me too. But yeah, you just have to make sure that risk is managed, and then whatever happens, happens. But something that's been on my mind quickly. One sec. So something that's been on my mind is that if the swap fees pay me to hold the trade, now I know that sounds silly. So basically, if you don't know what swap fees is basically in simple terms, your trade is like it's kind of in like a contract format, right? So the contract format is got today's date. So for example, today's the 20th, yeah. So when it goes into the next day, instead of it being instead of the contract saying 20th of March, right? It will say 21st of March, yeah. And there's kind of for that changeover, there's kind of a fee you either pay or you get given funds, or you either pay the fee, you either have to pay for the fees, or you receive fees for swapping over the contract, let's say. So anyways, so what's on my mind is, pardon me, if I get paid to swap for the swap fees, then I'll keep the position open over the weekend if we don't get stopped out, right? And as long as the price action is making sense. If if that's not the case, right? And for example, I have to pay the swap fees, or what do you call it? I have to, or the price action's looking like messy, right? Like if we're struggling to break above 1.144, yeah, then I'm out of the trade, right? I'm not holding the trade over the weekend because, like I told you again, when the market opens, it's not nice. And when I say it's not nice, I mean it's not nice because who wants to who wants to wake up and see that and see like, wow, it was at this price, it closed at this price, and then now it closed at £10, but for some reason now it's opened at £5. Like it doesn't make sense. It's not nice. So unless obviously the price action was there. Like for example, if this was at 1.14, if this was at 1.15, let's say, yeah, and then for example it opened at like 1.14, 1.14, yeah, 1.14, let's say, then fine. At least there's the price action shows that okay, we could continue pushing up, right? But if it doesn't, if that's not the case, then forget about it, you know? So anyways, that's enough for me talking and ranting, but we shall be now we'll be back with like a market update, like when I wake up in the morning. I'm not gonna come back to the camera anymore. Like I said, I don't if I'm honest with you, like after the post-market analysis, I don't even want to look at the charts. Like I don't want to look at the charts, G. I don't want to think about trading. I just want to what I want to do. Yeah, I just want to chill, have some me time. Uh, if you want to know what me time is, it's literally just yeah, self-development. I yeah, I can't be focused on the charts like that all the time. That's not how you grow and become the best. And we trying to become the best because we the best. So yeah. Anyways, um, yes. See you soon. Okay, good morning. Good morning, people. What's going on? So, as you can probably tell or not tell, like I did not like. Well, I mean, I woke up at my usual time, like 3 o'clock, but then I went back to sleep. And yes, I'm not happy with myself, but yeah, I didn't expect to I didn't expect to fall right asleep when I just started lying down and watching YouTube videos. So anyways, right now it is 8:37 and London session has officially opened. Now, like I mentioned to you, I expected this is where we're currently at with the trade. So if I show you, so right now we're basically at break even. Yeah. And yeah, if we go to the 30 minutes, so this was the candle that opened. So actually, to be fair, it didn't open that bad. However, we're it's kind of getting a bit, I guess the word is dangerous now. So if the 1 hour closes back in here for this, then I'll expect price to come down and retest the form of low. But honestly, the way how it's looking like, I think the trade could potentially continue pushing up. But yeah, I think the trade can potentially push up. So you just have to wait. I think that the 4 hours kind of indicated that we'll continue to push up. However, this current 4 hour candle here is going to be closing in 20 minutes. So either people better start buying or yeah, I mean we're gonna see some either a support formed or something. So we'll just come down. So yeah, right now I'm gonna make my way to the park. I'm gonna train in the park for a bit. So I don't really like to go to the gym during the day. And to be fair, the weather's quite nice, so I thought, yeah, why not? It's chest day, chest and triceps today, so literally just gonna be doing like mad sets on the bars. And then yeah, that's it. Bro, I don't know how I'm still tired, man. It's crazy. Like, I don't know. But yeah, it's Friday, the last day of the week. So it should be interesting. I just want to say, like, it feels very strange, not trading like gold and that. So usually so before this challenge, the only assets that I traded that I trade is gold, Nasdaq, and GJ, right? But now, like since this challenge, like I'm trading new pairs, which is crazy. So usually, like, pardon me, I'll be so before this challenge, I will just be trying to look for entries on like gold or Nasdaq or GJ, like mainly because, for example, like for me, my personal experience, and this has been since December, I didn't really see like that much crazy volume on, for example, the Australian dollar pairs or the um is it the euro? Yeah, Australian dollar pairs or other British pound pairs. But I think yeah, I was probably just like neglecting them. Like I should have tried to I should have tried to give it a chance. So anyways, I mean we're currently pushing up, which is good, which is probably a good sign. So yeah, I think we'll just have to wait and see where we go from here. Anyways, yeah, ju- just getting ready to close. Just getting ready for the market to close today. Nothing much else really to say. After training at the park, I've got like an interview in Marble Arch, I think. So yeah, we'll see. I'll probably, yeah, anyways, there'll definitely be a market update or trade update in the meantime. But yeah, I'm off to the gym. Catch you in a mo. Okay, so I'm currently at the park. It's 10:24, and yeah, I've been here for like an hour so far. Literally just trying to push through the exercises. And let's see where we're currently at with the trade. Yeah, so it's a bit crazy right now. 1 second, if I just zoom in. So basically, that's the the situation. And then currently we are at this basically entry. Nothing significant as of yet. But yeah, gonna finish up the training. Literally still got like, yeah, no, got like 20, yeah, 20 sets. I'm trying to do 10 sets of push-ups and 10 sets of dips. So
Views from the hills, dreams why we grinding. Chilling and planning with guidance. Been a long year, still trying, still patient. Blessing my mama with greatness. Telling my friends we made it. Old notes, new faces. Same squad, different races.
Mr. Wills is hard to kill. Ain't nobody murking me. He might have more money, but he'll never have more heart than me. Cartier frames I see through, so all of them lies I see through. Tried everything I could to keep you, but in the end.
okay, so we just finished training, and right now it's 11:15, and let's see where we are at. Guys, this is where we're at right now, -3 pounds. Let's see what the price action's saying. Damn, wasn't expecting this. So yeah, anyways, just gotta wait and see what happens now. I'm currently just waiting for some food. Like, I couldn't bother to make eggs and beef at home, so I'm literally getting some eggs so that then I can just put it together with some mincemeat, and then that'll be breakfast done. So literally, we finished training, we're gonna have some breakfast, and then yeah, get started with the day properly now. Out again, but I've just finished having breakfast, and to be fair, I didn't even get to finish it, so I'm not happy, but it's fine. You know, when duty calls, duty calls. So I had to look at the charts here, and it is not good. It's not good at all. But yeah, so as of now it's 12:35, and then 1 sec. Let's see, where are we? And the trade is currently at, yeah, -4 pounds. So look, there's two things I'm gonna say. The first thing is, yeah, I think the stock loss is gonna get tapped. That's the first thing. Second thing is that, yeah, this week's not been so great, but yeah, we're just gonna come back bigger and better next week, so it's fine. The main thing is just not trying to go outside of the plan and be desperate. Saying that, I think that, yeah, maybe this trade that I took with GBP CHF was a bit desperate. But then again, I mean, if you watch the first part of the video, then you'll see that I followed my analysis, so it's fine. But yeah, anyways, yeah, next week bigger and better, period. So we'll be back with a market update in like how long? Well, the 1 hour's closing, the 4 hours sorry is closing in half an hour. So I'll be back with an update in probably like 2 hours, 3 hours. Yep, it has happened. It's officially happened. We've hit the stop loss, and that is it. The week is done. Kaput, finito. So yeah, we was literally thinking, yeah, we're gonna make it back probably, but no, that was not the case. And yeah, man. Anyways, I think what a way to end the week, given the circumstances. So, I mean, yeah, I think now we just have to wait. We have to wait for Sunday to do our pre-market analysis, and then yeah, like I've mentioned before, we just got to come back bigger and better for next week. So yeah, nothing much to say here. Literally, it's all done now. We had fun while it lasted, but yeah. Anyways, sorry. Let's see what happens now for the rest of the market, the rest of the week. I can show you quickly, like, so we had obviously this situation where we got stopped out, and that was, man, literally one candle, just boom, all the way. We're currently recovering now, but whatever. And then, pardon me, look at this for CAD JPY. So literally, remember we was pushing, and then we got back to our area of interest, and then price came back up again. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. We've got lots of new markets on our watch list, so it's gonna be interesting to see where we go from here. But yeah, I think let me just quickly confirm all the information with you. So 423, and then yeah, right now, man, right now we're at 84.68, and then yeah, the trades of today. I accidentally took a CAD JPY trade that was supposed to be for another account, but you can see I closed it immediately. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it for the week. As mentioned before, we'll be back bigger and better for next week. So yeah, nothing more we can do for now. But aside from that, I hope you have a great weekend and catch you next week for round 2.